Who doesn't like shopping nowadays? Everybody likes shopping. While buying clothes, often you will see that a small extra piece of cloth comes with the clothes. This extra fabric often comes in shirts or t-shirts. But do you know why this extra cloth comes? And what is the use of this cloth? This extra fabric piece is made of the same material that you buy the shirt or t-shirt. And the design of the clothes of that extra piece is also exactly same as your shirt or t-shirt. But what exactly is the use of this extra piece of cloth? Now you may be thinking that, if a purchased shirt or t-shirt torn, so by putting that extra piece of cloth on that torn place, and that torn cloth can be repaired back. No friends. If your shirt or t-shirt torn, so that extra piece of cloth is not given to apply there. The use of this extra piece of cloth is something like this. Whenever you buy new clothes, such as a shirt or t-shirt, at that time you don't know the quality of that cloth. When you wash those clothes to check the quality, so sometimes, after washing the cloth they lose color. And in this way, shopkeeper doesn't take back that clothes. To avoid this kind of problem, you can wash the extra piece of cloth that comes with the cloth. And this is its job. When you wash that extra cloth, you can find out with that little cloth. What is the quality of that cloth? It is good or not. If it lose color, then you can give back that purchased cloth. Because you have seen it by washing its extra piece of cloth, while the whole cloth is still unwashed. So friends, now you must have understood that, what is the use of that extra piece of cloth that comes with clothes. Friends, if you liked video, like it, and subscribe our YouTube channel, and also click on the bell icon, so that you can watch the upcoming videos first.